Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we apply horizontal picture list layout in Microsoft Excel. So for that, we have to import the picture and then we have to click on format. After clicking on format, you have to click on this picture layout which is in picture styles group. And just after clicking, this list of layouts will be shown where you have to select this one, which is fifth row, fourth column. When you keep your cursor over there, then you can clearly see that it's written horizontal picture list. And to apply it, you can click on that. So just after clicking, that layout will be applied. And if you see here, here's a box, a small arrow. When you click on that, then this box appear where you can enter the text, whatever you want to keep. After writing the text, you can press enter to add more pictures. Similarly, you can press backspace to delete the picture including the text. Now you can select the text and you can use the smart art tools in the format and use this word art style to edit the text. Similarly, you can use font group for basic editing. And if you see here, then if you want to edit this picture, then you can resize this picture, or you can select the picture and use this picture tool format to edit the picture. Similarly, you can add some effects and you can select this layout and edit it by using the smart art tools design. From here you can edit the layout or you can change the color of the layout. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.